Hi everyone, I'm back. As I said before, onto the rear lighting. Just to show you what I've done with the light bars. I've basically done that to it, so left and right and then through the bottom, then into the board. Okay, pretty simple. And then the rear lighting, what I've done over here is I took the lower light off. Okay, I've taken photographs of all this. It will be in the build manual. But I took this off and I just stuck a piece of the LED strip to the inside, and then I just glued it back on again. I had to make the hole slightly larger for the plug to go through. And then the rear one, I made a little box with styrene plastic. And then I used the UV glue, okay, to just stick it all together. And what I did was I stuck it into the body with the box separate, and then I basically glued it on. You see it's come loose now, to try and make that it actually holds it in. So the UV glue, simple as put a little bit on, and then it takes about 3 seconds. What happens now is this goes in to the rear section. Hopefully. Oh, it's come loose again. I'll re-glue it. But anyway, so to give you an idea, so is it plugged in? No. Hello? Let's plug it in quick. They're very tiny plugs. You can use a tweezer to plug them in and out. There we go. So that's the effect that you get in the rear. Okay. And this is with the light on, so it'll be very bright in a lower light situation. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is fix this up, because it's now come loose. Okay, as you can see over here, that's the way I glue them in. Okay, the strip, and then it runs right through to the other side. So this is the end, so it comes out on the inside, and it runs through from one to the other one, and then out there, and then into the board. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is do the side lights, these ones. Okay, just glue them in from this side, or maybe just stick them in, and then find a way where it's all going to fit in together. Okay, so thanks, bye.